John Barnett lodged allegations against the aircraft manufacturer Boeing for taking revenge on him subsequent to his reporting of issues he observed at their 787 facility in South Carolina. These issues reportedly encompassed concerns related to safety standards, production processes, and overall quality control measures within the factory premises. The individual in question, a well-known whistleblower associated with Boeing, formerly held the position of a quality manager and had voiced significant apprehensions regarding the manufacturing methods employed at the 787 Dreamliner facility situated in South Carolina. Tragically, local authorities reported that this individual was discovered deceased on the 9th of March, indicating evidence suggesting a self-inflicted wound as the cause. This event has provoked widespread discussion and speculation surrounding the circumstances leading to such a tragic outcome. John Barnett, the individual who raised concerns as a whistleblower, traveled to Charleston to provide a sworn statement as part of a legal proceeding. This lawsuit revolves around his allegations that Boeing engaged in retaliatory actions against him due to his vocalization of issues related to quality and safety standards within the company. Boeing has been grappling with quality issues related to both design and manufacturing for an extended period. This challenge became particularly prominent following the tragic crashes involving two Boeing 737 MAX aircraft in 2018 and 2019. More recently, concerns resurfaced when a fuselage panel on a MAX flight failed shortly after departure 2 months back. These recurring quality problems have significantly impacted the reputation and operations of the aerospace giant. The incidents have raised serious questions about Boeing's internal processes, safety standards, and oversight mechanisms. Mr. Barnett initiated legal action against Boeing by submitting a formal complaint to the US Labor Department back in the year 2017. His complaint was lodged within the framework of the Aviation Investment and Reform Act for the 21st Century Whistleblower Protection Program, a regulatory mechanism designed to safeguard the rights of individuals working for aircraft manufacturers who disclose concerns related to air carrier safety breaches. Within the same year, Mr. Barnett disassociated himself from the company, possibly in response to the events surrounding his complaint. During the legal proceedings, Boeing's legal representative conducted a thorough deposition of Mr. Barnett, followed by further questioning from his own legal team. The deposition process was slated to be concluded on the following Saturday morning, as confirmed by Robert Turkowitz, who serves as Mr. Barnett's legal counsel in the ongoing case. Upon Mr. Barnett, who was 62 at the time, failing to appear on Saturday morning and being unresponsive to phone calls, Mr. Turkowitz expressed worry and contacted the hotel where Mr. Barnett was staying. Subsequently, the tragic discovery was made that Mr. Barnett had passed away in his pickup truck located in the hotel's parking lot. This unfortunate incident shed light on the importance of promptly checking on individuals who exhibit unusual behavior or fail to maintain regular communication. The Office of the Charleston County Coroner officially verified the fatality, attributing it to what seems to be a self-inflicted wound. The Charleston Police Department acknowledged the coroner's conclusions in an official statement and revealed that they have initiated an investigation into the matter. They confirmed that their detectives are fully engaged in exploring this case and are eagerly anticipating the official determination of the cause of his passing. Additionally, they are keen on receiving any supplementary discoveries that could provide more insight into the circumstances encompassing the passing of Mr. Barnett. The department emphasized their commitment to unraveling the details of this incident thoroughly and ensuring that all facets of the case are meticulously scrutinized. The authorities have underscored the significance of uncovering all pertinent facts to establish a clear picture of what happened. In his statement, Mr. Turkowitz expressed that the time Mr. Barnett spent at Boeing left a profound impact on him. Mr. Turkowitz expressed that the situation was significantly burdening him as he grappled with the ongoing events, revisiting past experiences, and the immense stress they had precipitated. The weight of the circumstances was palpable, highlighting the emotional toll he was enduring. In a comprehensive examination of the legal proceedings, an administrative law judge affiliated with the Labor Department was presiding over the whistleblower case that was currently undergoing the discovery phase. The upcoming trial to address the matter had been scheduled for the month of June. Attorney Mr. Turkowitz conveyed his intention to move forward with handling Mr. Barnett's case, representing the interests of Mr. Barnett's family. Boeing conveyed their heartfelt condolences in response to Mr. Barnett's demise, expressing deep sorrow and extending sympathies to his loved ones and acquaintances. The company mourned the loss of Mr. Barnett and expressed empathy towards his family and friends. Mr. Barnett, commonly referred to as Swampy due to his deep-rooted connection to Louisiana, dedicated close to 30 years of his career to Boeing before retiring in 2017. Initially stationed at Boeing's facility in Everett, Washington, he transitioned to a newly established plant in North Charleston, South Carolina in 2010 to contribute to the development of Boeing's groundbreaking 787 Dreamliner. This aircraft, a wide-body jet, held immense significance for the company as it represented a major leap forward in aviation technology. Being a crucial member of the team involved in this project, Mr. Barnett played a pivotal role in shaping the success and trajectory of Boeing's innovative flagship plane. Following the fatal crashes of two Boeing 737 MAX aircraft in the years 2018 and 2019, Mr. Barnett's apprehensions regarding the quality standards at Boeing gained significant attention in various media outlets. This served as a notable illustration of the broader issues prevalent within the company's manufacturing processes. These tragic incidents underscored fundamental questions about the safety and operational integrity of Boeing's aircraft models. Mr. Barnett told news outlets in 2019 that he had discovered clusters of titanium slivers that were hanging over flight control wires in some planes. Those slivers were produced when fasteners were fitted into nuts. Mr. Barnett expressed in various interviews that he had made multiple appeals to his superiors concerning the removal of the hazardous slivers. Despite his persistent requests, they declined and instead relocated him to a different section within the facility. This situation indicates a fundamental disregard for Mr. Barnett's safety concerns and a failure on the part of the management to address these issues. By 2017, the Federal Aviation Administration mandated that Boeing's Dreamliners undergo a thorough inspection to remove any shavings before being handed over to airlines. Boeing affirmed its compliance with this requirement and initiated collaborative efforts with a supplier to enhance the design of the nut in question. The company, however, reassured that the identified concern did not pose a threat to flight safety, thereby underscoring their commitment to ensuring the aircraft's airworthiness and overall operational integrity. This meticulous attention to detail reflects the aviation industry's continuous efforts to uphold rigorous safety standards and proactive measures to address even minor anomalies, demonstrating a steadfast dedication to passenger safety and operational excellence. Mr. Barnett informed management about the disappearance of faulty components, indicating a potential scenario where these missing parts could have been utilized in aircraft installations. This revelation sheds light on a critical issue within the organization, highlighting the significant concern of compromised quality control practices. He mentioned that his superiors instructed him to complete the documentation regarding the absent components without determining their whereabouts. This directive implied that he was expected to finalize the paperwork related to the missing parts without investigating the specific locations to which they had disappeared. The Federal Aviation Administration conducted a thorough investigation into the matter and concluded that Boeing had misplaced several components that were found. In his statement back in 2019, Mr. Barnett, the quality manager at Boeing, emphasized the critical role of quality managers as the ultimate line of defense against allowing defects to reach the general flying public. He expressed his meticulous approach by highlighting that he had not encountered any aircraft from Charleston that he would confidently endorse as safe and flight-ready under his own name. This underscores the immense responsibility placed on quality managers like him to ensure that every aircraft leaving the manufacturing facilities meets the stringent safety and quality standards set by the industry. Mr. Barnett, a resident of Pineville, Louisiana, expressed his ongoing apprehensions during recent discussions with news outlets in light of renewed scrutiny regarding quality concerns at Boeing. These apprehensions resurged following an alarming incident on January 5th, where a panel detached from a Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft mid-flight during an Alaska Airlines journey. Amidst the escalating concerns regarding Boeing's product integrity, Mr. Barnett reiterated his uncertainties and fears in a series of interviews, highlighting the potential risks associated with such quality lapses. Mr. Barnett highlighted the long-standing issue of quality deterioration at Boeing, emphasizing that it has been a continuous erosion rather than sudden decline. He emphasized that the problem extends beyond just the 737 aircraft model, characterizing it as a broader organizational challenge faced by Boeing as a whole. To enhance Boeing's operations, it is essential for the company to refocus on fundamental principles. Mr. Barnett's mother, Vicky Stokes, expressed in a recent interview the profound impact that his tenure at Boeing had on him, noting how it visibly aged him compared to his 3 older brothers, despite being the youngest among them. She revealed that the burden he bore from his experiences at Boeing weighed heavily on him for an extended period, significantly affecting his physical appearance and emotional well-being. Stokes highlighted the enduring nature of the challenges her son faced over the years, indicating that the responsibilities and pressures he endured had a lasting effect on him. In a January interview, Mr. Barnett expressed his decision to refrain from air travel due to the experiences he encountered while working at Boeing. These experiences have evidently left a lasting impact on him, leading him to consciously avoid flying on airplanes. So, what do you think happened to John Barnett? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comments section below and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.